if I told you you could start a blog today that earns you money while you sleep? No 9 to 5, no trading time for money, just a smart, automated system running 24/7. Sound like a dream? That's affiliate marketing, powered by AI. And in this video, I'm not just telling you what's possible, I'm walking you through the exact steps so you can build your first AI blog right now. Stick around. By the end of this, you'll have a live, income-ready blog working for you on autopilot. Welcome to AI Money Secret, the channel where we turn AI tools into real faceless income streams, no tech skills needed. In this video, you'll learn how affiliate blogs actually work in 2025, how to choose a niche that pays, how to get affiliate links that earn you money, how to use ChatGPT to write content in minutes, how to launch your blog without any coding, and how to promote it for free. If you're ready to build smart passive income, not just work harder, this one's for you. Hit like, subscribe. Let's dive in. Let's keep it simple. An affiliate blog is a website with helpful articles, reviews, or tutorials. Inside those articles, you link to products or tools you recommend. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. That's it. And no, your blog doesn't need to rank #1 on Google. You don't need to post every day. You just need helpful content that solves one specific problem. And this is where AI helps you work smarter, not harder. Next, let's choose what your blog is about. This is called your niche, and it's key to success. If you try to write about everything, no one sticks around. But if you focus on one thing, the right people will find you and trust you. So ask yourself, what do you enjoy learning about? What could you talk about for hours? Some hot affiliate niches right now: AI, tech tools, personal finance, health and fitness, productivity, education. Still stuck? Go to Etsy or Gumroad, search digital plus your topic, and see what people are already buying. If people are spending money, that's a green light. Once you've got your niche, write it down. Let's build around that. Now, let's make sure you can actually earn money in your niche. Here's what to do. Write down 2 to 3 products or tools in your niche. Go to their websites. Scroll down and look for affiliate program or partners. Apply. Most are free and easy to join. If you can't find one, go to partnerstack.com or impact.com and search your niche. Once approved, copy your unique affiliate links. We'll use them in your blog posts. Pro tip: stick to just 2 or 3 products when you start. Too many equals confused readers equals no clicks. Create content with ChatGPT. Time to create content fast. And no, you don't have to be a writer. Here's how to use ChatGPT. Step 1. Log in to ChatGPT. Step 2. Type this prompt. Write a 1,200-word blog post titled 5 Best AI Tools for Small Business Owners in 2025. Include pros and cons and recommend your affiliate product where it fits. Step 3. Hit enter and let it generate the post. Not happy with the tone? Just say, rewrite this in a friendly conversational blog tone. Then ask it to add a strong intro, a clear conclusion, and a call to action like, click here to try product name today. Create at least 5 to 10 posts before launching. More content equals more trust. Step 5. Build your blog. No tech needed. Let's build your blog. No coding required. Start with Beehive. It's beginner-friendly and free. Here's how. Go to beehive.com and sign up. Create your publication and choose a clean template. Paste your ChatGPT articles into the editor. Add your affiliate links. Create an about and contact page. ChatGPT can help. Add a short affiliate disclaimer on each post. Beehive lets readers subscribe to your newsletter, so you can email them directly later. Want more control? Use WordPress or Systemi.io. But if you're just starting, Beehive is perfect. Step 6. Promote and monetize your blog for free. Your blog is live, now let's get traffic for free. Here are 4 powerful methods. Use Canva to make 5 to 10 pins per post. YouTube Shorts. Turn your posts into 30-second videos with Pictory or CapCut. Instagram Reels. Reuse the same shorts. Facebook Groups. Join groups in your niche. Share tips, and post links if allowed. Extra tip: use Beehive's built-in email tool to send blog updates, affiliate offers directly to your subscribers. Bonus: more ways to monetize. As your blog grows, you can unlock more income streams. Apply for Google AdSense, get brand sponsorships, sell your own digital products or courses. Your blog becomes a business. Let's recap. You picked a niche. You found affiliate programs. You created content with ChatGPT. You built a blog. With zero tech, you learned how to promote it for free. And now, you've got the blueprint to build a blog that earns while you sleep. So, what niche are you starting with? Comment below. I want to hear. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more AI-based income tutorials every week. Your future passive income starts with action. Let's get started today.